Look at that. Sunset on a nudist beach. And this one is a real nudist beach and quite long. I saw some nudists on the other side of the cliff, and I chosen myself this more secluded spot over here to be in peace and quiet. And yeah, I really look forward to explore. So this is a very, very wild and secluded nudist beach, so you can chill here on your own and relax as well. And this is one of the few nudist beaches in Cyprus. There are not so many actually. And here I have the best sunset. So it is 7 p.m. right now, and the sun will set any minute. And here we can see all the way to Ayia, Napa Marina. And this set of rocks is filled with nudists all the way. But obviously I cannot film them. So I have chosen this spot just for me. But if you are into nudism, check out this spot that I showed already in the beginning of this video, so you know where the nudist beach in Ayia, Napa is. I also visited earlier one other that is called Naked Beach, but there was nobody there, so I don't think that's the actual one. But this one is definitely a nudist beach, as I have spotted many nudists on that front. Alright, it is then time to dive in. Probably one of the last swim for today. Actually, I might take a swim also at Limnara Beach, that's located 500 meters away from here. And Namus Kumburi is located around 1 kilometer the other direction. And here it is very deep after you pass these slippery rocks. So let's dive in and enjoy the most beautiful Mediterranean Sea. Let's go! Woohoo! What a time to be alive, to catch the perfect sunset on this nudist beach. And the nudist beach doesn't have a name, but these rock formations are destined to be a nudist beach. So that's great, that's great, that's great. Look at that, look at that. Amazing, amazing. All right, that's a wrap from this nudist beach in Ayia, Napa, Cyprus. And make sure to tune in on my channel for more beach adventures. And the channel is called what? Beach Adventures with Chris!